Welcome again to another RC in motion video, and today we're gonna finalize this disassembly of this chassis. You guys know it, the Trailfinder 2 OG chassis right here, right in front of you. We're gonna start off by taking off all the electronics, take off this plate. We're gonna take off the servos. We're gonna cut everything down. You guys can see here the Punisher shafts that, you know, they have a little bit of wear on them, but we'll make use of that later. Here goes the other shaft, and let's go ahead and disassemble this bad boy. That's all there is to it. You can see there a handful of electronics, and this is all it takes, honestly, to run your rig. All that's missing here is the BEC, but later on we'll be installing that. But for now, I'm going to show you guys an easier way to take out them shocks. You can take it apart several ways, like shown before, through the bumper, but in this case you can actually just take out these two screws, push the whole assembly down, and your shocks come out with one push. The only thing left is the body mounts and this transfer case mount. We want to take it out because we're going to be painting it red just to give it a little bit of an accent to the overall build. Here we're just going to finalize this disassembly by taking off these links. We're just going to take half of the chassis off and just take off all these bolts and screws. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this disassembly. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.